Hi everybody, welcome to Module 6 and Week 6. We've got 3 different assignments this week, and I see a typo right there that I will go in and fix. 2 topics, adaptive leadership and followership. There was an assignment here related to Enneagram, but I took that out because there was enough already. So first, you're going to go ahead and add a line to your leadership analysis or theory matrix on adaptive leadership. So you're all right on track with that. Take a look at the Maureen Finnerty video case. It's actually, you can go forward or you can click on that link and that will take you through and answer these questions about whether she's an adaptive leader. So there's the video. Then we have a couple of resources related to followership. So here is a podcast, Followers and Tyrants. Here is a reading on the Army Paradox. So both of you will probably be interested in that. I'll be interested to see if you agree with that. And then your discussion post with responses here is on the Penn State sexual abuse scandal case in the textbook. So post your responses and respond to each other, and I'll look forward to reading what you've come up with. Have a great week.